it's Soin here from the Tech Infos, back with another video. So today guys, I'm going to do the review of the QW21 Smartwatch, which I've been using for quite some time now and have mentioned about this on my previous video as well. Anyways guys, so before I talk about the good things and bad things about this product, there's something that you need to know about this product in particular. Now this product is available under different brand names, under different shopping portals, under different price segments, but what you should concentrate on is whether the model number of the watch is QW21 or not. Now if you happen to see this particular watch under different brand name, under different price, and the model number is QW21, you know that you are at the right place. Okay, anyways guys, I'll also drop the link in the description from where I bought it. By the way, I bought it from AliExpress for just 999 rupees. Anyways guys, so before we talk about the good things and bad things, let's go ahead to the unboxing table and see what we get in this little cardboard box, but actually the quality of the box is really good. So anyways guys, let's get started. So guys, just kidding. So inside the box you get this manual, which is in both Chinese as well as English. As you can see, here's the English version and over here it's the Chinese version. I'll tell more about it, like you don't have to see the manual. I'll tell all the details that you need to know. Other than this, you get this charger, which I am not a huge fan of. It could have had a more elegant solution to charge the device, but this is what you get. So basically you have to take your device, you have to see these 2 points and match these 2 points with here, and then you have to lock it, and then you can easily use it in any laptop, like to charge your device, or you can use a 5V 1A adapter, anything like that you have, and you can simply charge it. Now once again, as I said, this is not the most elegant charging solution that I have seen, but this is what you get guys. Can't really complain for the price that I'm paying. Overall, a good quality watch. Now let's go ahead and talk about the watch in details. So guys, now that you know what's inside the box, let's go ahead and talk about the pros and cons about this product. Now I have already jotted down this on my rewritable LCD pad. Now if in case you don't know what is this guys, this is basically a rough pad from the company Protonics. Now what is this is that it simply has a stylus which can be any sharp object, or the tip has to be sharp and you can write anything, and with this simple delete button you can erase everything written on this pad. Now this is not that of an expensive device guys. It's cost around 300 to 400 rupees, and if in case you are interested, I'll drop links in the description as well as in the I button. I have reviewed this product. Anyways guys, talking about the product guys, the first thing that I really liked about this product was the build quality. Now before I even talk about the build quality guys, just understand that I paid 999 rupees, and previously guys I have used watches from Xiaomi like the Mi Fit bands, okay, and also the Columni M3S, and I paid almost equal amount. For the Xiaomi product I paid a higher amount, and for the Columni M3S I paid a lower amount, like 100 rupees less, and all I got is a slim band, plastic build. The screen was also plastic, and the screen wasn't that vivid or colorful even for the Xiaomi's case. But in this guys, I'm getting a full metal body design. The top is actually glass, though it's prone to scratches guys, which is of course very natural. It doesn't have Gorilla Glass protection or any other form of protection, so I would recommend you to use a screen protector. Like you can use the 40mm Apple Watch screen protector, it will work fine with this guys. But anyways guys, overall the quality of the watch is top notch. Even the silicone strap guys is really good. I actually did not expect the quality to be this good, though there's one thing that I don't like. On the back guys, where it is, the level spelling is written wrong. I don't know like whether you can watch it or not. I know it's nitpicking, but yeah. Anyways guys, so overall the build quality is actually really good, and you won't feel any irritation on your skin if you wear it for prolonged period. Although in the first few days guys, it was kind of weird for me to wear this, because I used to wear fitness bands like this which were small and light. It's a bit heavy guys, so it was kind of like uncomfortable for the first few days, but after that guys, I got used to it, and I actually now enjoy wearing this watch more than these watches guys which I used to use, like fit bands to be more specific. Now when it comes to the strap guys, you get interchangeable straps. Like you can easily interchange straps with any third-party straps that you want from the market, so that's a good thing guys. And the battery life guys, the company claimed the battery life to be around 4 to 5 days, but I am getting a battery life of 6 to 7 days. Now you might be asking why. Now the basic reason behind is guys that I don't keep my smartwatch and my phone connected all the time. I don't like to get all the notifications in my hand, though it is capable of showing all the notifications. You even get notifications for your call, SMS, and from specific apps guys, and you cannot like reply back or reject calls, although it shows that you can reject calls, but actually what it does, that it just stops displaying the name in the smartwatch, but it actually doesn't reject the call. But overall guys, I am not someone who likes to bother my hand with so many notifications. I already get so many notifications on my phone, so this is something I didn't want it to populate with notifications, and that's the reason guys I get better battery life than what the company claimed. Now when it comes to tracking guys, which is of course a very important aspect of a smartwatch or a fitness band, whichever you want to tell it, I did not expect much, to be honest, because when I used Columni M3S, if you watch that video, I said guys, if in case you want to buy it for just looking into time in a colorful display, this was perfect. But if in case you want to track your fitness, this is not the perfect watch for you at all. Now I won't say exactly this for this watch guys, because its step tracking is good. Its sleep tracking is kind of weird. I will explain. Let me just explain. Wait.
12 seconds later.
So guys, as per the product manual, yes, I had to go through the manual, don't judge me. So anyways guys, as per the manual, the sleep tracking is between 22:00 PM to 8 AM. So what it basically means that it tracks your sleep only between 10 PM to 8 AM. Now this is not very uncommon. All the other smart bands, actually most of the smart bands does the same as well, because if you have realized or if you have noticed, if in case you have slept in any odd time, your smartwatch fails to recognize that you are sleeping. So this is the same case for this guys. But what's weird is that guys, suppose you slept at 12 PM and you woke up at 6 PM, okay, 6 AM. Now you expect 5.5 hours of sleep because you take time to sleep. Now you wake up and you see that you have slept 5.5 hours. That's good, like the sleep tracking is good. Now you saw the level of deep sleep, the level of light sleep, everything is perfect. Now you go on with your life, you go for a walk, you have your tea, you have conversations with your friends, family, you go for running or anything, you are basically active, right? But after a while, if you check your sleep data, you will notice an increase in the sleep. Like maybe you saw 5.5 hours and you are seeing it all of a sudden become 6.5 hours. like it's, I don't know, very weird. When you wake up you see the right sleep data, but when you go on with your life you see an increased sleep data. So that's something, I believe it's a bug. It might be fixed with the update, guys. It's very weird, guys, because I have tried to run, and also, guys, it detected that I'm running, as in my steps are increasing, but then also it somehow managed to show me higher levels of sleep. So that's really weird. So that is what I wanted to explain with the help of this little manual. Yeah. So anyways, guys, talking about the heart rate sensor and SpO2 sensor, it works absolutely fine, but don't even think of trusting the BP monitor at all. Like, don't even consider your watch as a BP monitor. Like Samsung, Apple, they too don't even provide you with a BP monitor, and this watch is so, like, I cannot even consider this to provide us with an accurate monitoring. Now, if you are like skeptical like me, I have tested it with a BP machine, and it was nowhere close to a proper BP machine, so simply don't trust it. Now, why I'm so confident is because that my Columni M3S also claimed it to have a BP monitor, but it is all crap, guys, so don't believe in this shit. Anyways, guys, so the last thing that I would like to concentrate on, something that I really like, is the display. Now, once again, guys, I would like to remind you that I paid just 999 rupees, and the quality of the display, guys, is really amazing. Now, this watch costed me around 850 rupees, guys, and it has a tiny display. Yes, it's colorful, but not that vivid or not that good, to be honest. But this watch's overall display quality is really good. It is a 1.3-inch IPS panel, so the company is not skimping on the quality, and the clarity is really good, and the brightness levels, the overall, overall experience with the watch is really good. The overall user interface also, to be honest, guys, is really good. It's very fluid, guys. It as it feels like your smartwatch is running on 60 fps. Just see the smoothness, guys. It's super smooth, but I don't know, I sometimes question myself, how come this company is providing such a good quality display. But of course, guys, in direct sunlight it does struggle at times. It does struggle, and the race to wake up at times doesn't work perfectly, or it's a bit slower than what we see from Xiaomi, which is very instantaneous, but it just takes some time, guys. But overall, guys, even in sunlight you can technically see the display, but not in the most crisp or sharpest way possible, or in the brightest way possible. So that's something that I wanted to say, guys. And overall, guys, the software experience is good, but I don't like the app that is associated with it. It was the same app that came with this, guys, the Columni M3S. It's the Fundu app Pro, and yeah, Fundu. I don't even understand why they name something like this. Anyways, guys, it has all the features that you need on a fitness app, be it regularly syncing your data, having a proper report of your sleep, your running data, your walking data, or any other type of exercises that you want to do, special type of exercises, providing notifications from different apps, and also it has a drinking notification, like water drinking notifications, and also if you're sitting on one place for a prolonged period, it can notify you to wake up. And also you can set alarms, you can set different goals, and once you reach the goals, your wrist, the watch vibrates and shows like, hey, you have reached your goal and stuff like that. So it has many features, but I am basically spoiled by the overall polished user interface of the Mi Fit app. But I won't say this is bad, guys, but definitely not something that I would prefer over Mi Fit app. Anyways, guys, so overall a really good watch. There are certain things that I did not like about this product. I mentioned it already. And also another thing that I mentioned on the unboxing part is the charging solution that the company has provided. That is simply something that I actually don't like. But as I mentioned, guys, I don't have to charge it regularly, so that's something that I don't have to bother about much. And overall, guys, a good package that the company is providing. But once again, guys, if you are a pro, as a fitness geek. I don't know whether that's a term or not, but if you're someone who takes fitness seriously, I have mentioned this for the Columni M3S2 as well. So if you're someone who takes fitness very seriously and you want to track every detail in the most precise way possible, go with a Xiaomi band or any other band that is renowned. But if you are a casual user, guys, this is definitely one of the best options that you have under budget of 1000 rupees. And guys, overall it provides you a good step counting. Like, the step counting is accurate. I have tried to compare it with the Xiaomi Mi bands, and there is some false positive, of course. And if in case you have used a smartwatch previously, you know that you have to deduct a certain amount of steps, like 1000 steps or 500 steps, depending upon the accuracy. So there are certain false positives because like you are waving your hands, you're moving your hands. So in accordance to that, please have an idea and deduct a particular amount of steps. And also guys, the overall SpO2 sensor, heart rate sensor works fine. The notifications that it provides is in a really organized way, so that is something that I really like. And also it reminds you of stuff. You can set alarms, you can set goals, which I have already mentioned. And overall guys, it also, one thing that I really like is that it is not a big feature, but in case your battery is low, it indicates that your battery is low. Unlike the Columni M3S, which just used to shut down like for no reason, like please tell me that you are shutting down, the battery is low. It didn't used to even indicate, but this does. And overall guys, the appearance of this watch is something that is very, very good. This is definitely a conversation starter, guys. People will ask you like, from where did you buy this watch? What is the price of this watch? And people will actually be surprised when they hear about the price of this watch. But once again guys, only if you are a casual user buy this. If you're someone who takes fitness seriously, please don't buy this watch. Not recommended. But as I said, overall a complete package guys, but at the same time not a complete package. Just for the fitness geeks out there. Once again, I don't know that's a term or not, but anyways guys, this is available in other colors as well. I'll drop link in the description down below, and if in case I get Amazon India links or any other links, I'll drop in the description down below guys. So that's all for this video guys. If in case you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. It's I'm from the Tech Info signing off guys. Peace. I know the video was a bit long, but can't really help. I wanted to add all the details that is needed to be there for you to take a proper purchase decision. So anyways guys, bye bye.